Hi everyone, this is Padma. Please do subscribe my channel.
Today we are learning how to compare to write capital letters and small letters. So in this way, kid mannerism, the mindset is very different. So some kids are observe very carefully, some kids are okay, take it easy way. So anyway, then in that time you just give the hints to kid and how to write the capital letters and small letters as a compare to write, they can understand very easily. Most properly capital letters they didn't get any confused, they easily learn and easily write. But in the time small letters writing little bit confused. So compare to write capital letters and small letters, they can easily write them without mistakes. Here capital A. Capital A, how can we write capital A? Slant line and sleeping line. Now small a, you just intimate the kid. Capital A, small a. How can you write? You just take 4 letters. Today we practice A, B, C, D. Like that, you just give the practice A to D. Then you write capital B, standing line and upper left curve and down left curve, and small b, standing line, down left curve only. You just compare there. Capital B, 2 left curves, small b, only 1 left curve. You just give the comparison, then kid easily understand. Now C, capital C and small c. It's though there is no difference, but for rule writing, capital C is belongs to 3 lines, but small c is belongs to 2 lines only. Now you take capital D, standing line, left curve, standing line, left curve. Now you take the small d. Small d, what happened? Standing line, down right curve. You just intimate the kid. Capital D, how can you write? Left curve. But small d, how can you write? It's a right curve. And one thing here, small b and small d, they get confused. So you just give the hint to kid. Standing line, as it is capital B, what you have the curve, that curve belongs to, it's a small b. So opposite curve belongs to there, that is a small d. And capital E and small e. Capital F, small f. You just give the intimate to student. It's a capital F. But small f is a upper curve joining standing line and sleeping line. Upper curve joining standing line and sleeping line, it becomes small f. And capital G, small g. Here lines also important. Capital G, what you write here? Right curve and upper curve, sleeping line and standing line. Now small g, what you write here? Circle, it belongs to 2 lines and standing line join with upper curve. And capital H, small h. Capital H, what happen here? 2 standing lines and sleeping line. But small h, what you have here? Standing line, only 1 down curve. And capital I, small a. Small I is belongs to only 2 lines. And capital J, small j. Here sleeping line in capital J, but dot only in sleeping j, small g. Then you write the small g, it's a down red line or down line. Capital K. Capital K and small k, there is no difference, but we are writing on 4 rule book. Then you write capital K and small k. Slant lines must be in red line in capital line and silver down line. But small k, what you write? Standing line in middle line only joined with slant lines. Join with only middle lines with slant line. It becomes small k. Capital L and small l. Now you take the capital M and small m. Capital M, what happened here? 3 lines to belongs to M. Small m between only 2 lines. And capital N and small n. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o, there is no difference. When you are writing in 4 rule, then the small o belongs to only 2 lines. Now you take the capital P, small p. Capital P, small p also there is no difference, but the lines are different. Capital P is starting with upper red line, but small p is a touch with down red line. So down line. Then you write here upper left curve. Now you take Q. It's a as it is small q, you have to write here down red line and slant line and right curve. Now you take capital R. Capital R is a standing line, left curve, slant line. But small r is belongs to only 2 lines, standing line, upper curve. Now capital S and small s, there is no difference, but when you are writing in 4 rule book, then it's a small difference. It's a right curve join with left curve. Right curve join with left curve. Small s is only belongs to 2 lines and capital T, small t. Small t writing is standing line join with curve and sleeping line. And U. Capital U is belongs to 3 lines, but small u belongs to only 2 lines. It has a one standing line also. And capital V is a slant line and slant line. There is no difference, but small v is belongs to only 2 lines. And capital W and small w. Capital W is a standing line, slant lines. It belongs to 3 lines. But small w is belongs to only 2 lines, that also upper curves of joining. It makes a W. Now capital X, small x. Small x is a left curve join with right curve. It's a small x. Small x belongs to only 2 lines. Now capital Y and small y. Capital Y is slant line and off slant line. Small y is upper curve, standing line join with upper curve. Is y is belongs to third line and sleeping line and slant line. It's a Z. Same as the small z also, but small z belongs to only 2 lines.
Now tip for parent. When the kid is writing letters, then you also follow the rhyming way. Thank you for watching.